Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So today we are going to solve some labs from cryptography. So right now we are solving, we have completed web exploitation category and we have only 3 challenges pending. So I'll solve those when I'll find some time. So right now we are doing some beginner level cryptography. So we are here in basic mod 1. So the author is Will Hong and it's a 100 points worth challenge. And we have given 2 hints here. That's fine. So the description says, we found this weird message being passed around on the servers. We think we have a working decryption scheme. So they said they have a perfect working decryption scheme. So you can download the message here. So let's copy the link address. So we'll use terminal to download hacker things. Yep. And we have some instructions over here. So that's good. So let's go. Let's open up our terminal. I'm using iTerm. So I hope you can see it. So let's go to as usual the OPT directory. So where we usually work. So let's go to the PicoCTF. Let's go to the YouTube, and we have cryptography. So let's make a directory for cryptography, and we are here in YouTube cryptography directory. So let's download that message here, but before that I think we need to make a directory with this one, basic one. So let's make a directory with this. So yep, that's perfect. Let's download that message.txt. So let's copy the link address, let's paste that one here, and there we go. So we have this message.txt. So let's cat message. Okay, so we can observe these are all integers, these are all numbers. So in the description they have mentioned take each number and mod it with 37 and map it to the following. So the character set they have given, so 0 to 25 is uppercase alphabet, 26 to 35 are decimal digits, and 36 is an underscore. Yeah, that's good. So as usual, uh, you know basically we work with Python. So let's create a file in Python with basic mod 1 index. So let's maximize this window, let's save it. Okay, so the first things first, we need to open the file. So let's open that file. It's message.txt, and we need to read that file. So I'm using our argument. So you can printf. So probably, so let's use 2 windows. Yep. So this is our text IO wrapper. The name of the file is message, and the mode we are using is R, which is read. So and the encoding is UTF-8. Right now we need to read the file first. So I'm using read argument, and we have this file. After that one, probably I think I should turn on the word wrap. Yes. So after that one, I don't want to bypass. Yeah. After that one, so as you can see here, we have a lot of numbers which are separated by space. So we can split it by space. There we go. So now we have a list, a perfect list with a null element in the end of that list. So we need to remove this one, but what we can do is we can avoid this one when we perform operations. So yes, let's comment it out. So let's say for character or let's say character in F. So they said mod, right? Modulus is equals to character. The percentage 37. I think we can print that mod. I think we'll get an error, right? Yes, we'll get an error. So as you can see here, let me comment it out. These are all strings. Whatever you are seeing here, all strings. These are enclosed by single quote. So these are all strings. So we cannot perform mathematical operations on strings. So we need to convert them into integers. Right now it will work, and we still have some sort of error. This is value error, invalid literal for int with base 10. So this is a null. So we can see here we have a null element in the end of the list. So for that one, I'll use the list operation. So if you don't know what I'm doing is, so I'm asking the list to start from index 0 and then go up to the length of the list, that is F, and then -1. So it will avoid this null element. There we go. Now we have a perfect modulus here. So they said after this one we need to map it to each of the character. So for that one we can use something called string. So let's say mapping. So we need to map, right? So mapping is equal to string dot ASCII uppercase, right? So let's print that mapping. Yeah. So we have the uppercase here. So if you can see the length of this one, I'm sorry, length. So it will say is 26. So 0 to 25 is alphabet. So the length is 26, but when we consider the indexing basically starts from 0, so it is 25. So basically length starts from 1, right? So that's fine. What we can do is we can attach the same with a string dot ASCII, I'm sorry, ASCII digits. Do we get an error? Yeah, I think not ASCII digits, just digits. Yes. Okay. So yes, and the last character is an underscore. Yeah, there we go. So I think I can comment this part out and this part out and this as well. Now what we need to do is we need to define another variable. Let me yep. Now we need to define another variable. So that is called flag. So it's a string. So it's a null string. So it will store a null string value. So and then we need to concatenate here. The flag is equals to flag plus. We need to concatenate with the mod. So mapping, it's mapping, right? Mapping of mod. So we are performing string operation here. So if I hit enter, we don't have output, right? So we fail to print it. Let's print the flag, and then we have round and round some random value. So let's convert into the formatted string, right? Let's use PicoCTF. Let's run it. I'm sorry, the curly braces are missing. Let's use this, and there we go. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the flag. You can copy this one, and you can paste that one here. And if you submit the flag, you solve the challenge again correctly. Thank you. Yeah. So that's it for this video. This is a very short video. I hope interesting video using Python, so it's very easy, right? Yeah. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video regarding the cryptography. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.